Hello, Max Mortillaro here from TECHunplugged at KubeCon Paris 2024. I have here the pleasure to be interviewing Loris, which is the CTO of Sysdig, if I got that right. Hello, Loris.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. It's a great pleasure to interview you. So, obviously, I've had the chance, and Ariane here has had the chance also to be briefed about what Sysdig is about, but we also want our audience to understand what you're doing, what is your unique value proposition, or you're helping, the many developers and people from this ecosystem here.
Yeah, absolutely. Sysdig is a leading cloud security platform. Actually, the market where we operate is defined by Gartner as CNAPP, Cloud Native Application Protection Platform. Sysdig offers a solution that covers essentially the full life cycle of modern cloud-based and cloud-native applications. We offer vulnerability management, we offer risk management and posture management, we have runtime security, we have compliance, we have incident response, everything integrated in a single platform. Sysdig has a strong perspective on this market, coming from the fact that we believe that runtime insights are really what powers a CNAPP platform. So we shine at being able to collect events in real time and answering today the questions that all of the other security vendors will answer tomorrow.
Thank you, Loris. So if I was to explain that to a, let's say, less Kubernetes proficient audience, would you say that your solution can help detect issues in real time, like a ransomware attack or some kind of malicious behavior and things like that?
Yeah, so what you do with your product is, first of all, understanding if your infrastructure is safe, is well configured, if it has vulnerability, if it has possible entry points for attackers. That's more like the shift left and posture side of our product. This is important, of course, because you want your cloud applications to be well designed and well protected out of the box. The other thing that Sysdig does is all of the runtime security side. So being able to observe your application and collect signals like is somebody entering in your infrastructure? Are they stealing data? Is there malware that is running? Are there Bitcoin miners? We are able to intercept all of this stuff while your application is running and notify you as soon as possible and allow you to fix and remediate this issue and intercept and block potential attacks.
Thank you very much. So the other thing is that you have your product, your solution, but you also develop Falco, which is an open source, and I think I heard it recently graduated. So can you tell us maybe a couple words about Falco and in the broader ecosystem?
Absolutely. Falco is an open source tool. It's a CNCF tool, but Sysdig started the creation of this tool, and we're still the main sponsor behind the project. Falco is, you can see it as a security camera for modern cloud applications. So the same way that in a place like this you have many security cameras that collect data and observe and find if there's risk or if something is going wrong, Falco sits in your machines that are running Kubernetes or that are running other cloud workloads and collects this information in a centralized place. Falco is an engine that can detect, when anomalous or risky behavior happens. I don't know, somebody is starting a shell in one of your Redis containers, or somebody logging in from China in your AWS infrastructure without multi-factor authentication, or somebody uploading a password in a Git repository. All of these things, Falco can detect them and can notify you in real time. Falco is also at the core of the runtime security part of the Sysdig cloud product that is behind me. Falco is a project that recently, just 2 weeks ago, graduated in the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. So we are celebrating this year at KubeCon the graduation of Falco.
Thank you. So Loris, one last question. We have an impression that this edition of KubeCon is absolutely, it's unbelievable in terms of how busy it is, how dynamic, there's an energy that I haven't seen at the previous editions. You've obviously been in that space for a very long time. So what's your take on that?
My take is that cloud native is growing fast. I think one thing that is interesting for me is that KubeCon Europe is probably bigger and more lively than KubeCon North America. So that's a testament of the fact that Europe is embracing this kind of technologies fast and hard, which is good to see as somebody coming originally from Europe, from Italy actually. And I find that especially this edition of KubeCon, a lot of energy, a lot of new stuff, a lot of good conversation. So it's very exciting to be here, and it's very exciting to be part of this movement right at this point in time.
Loris, thank you very much. It's been an absolute pleasure. I hope you enjoy KubeCon. Congrats on the graduation for Falco. And we'll talk soon. Thank you. Bye.